Thinking about a new flooring system, before you talk about coatings or restoration, you need to talk about surface prep. Proper surface preparation is the most important step in every flooring project. In this video, I'll show you what it involves, when it matters most, and how it affects the success of your floor long-term. Concrete prep is the process of getting your slab ready to bond with a coating or resurfacing system. That means removing old adhesives, coatings, and sealers, then mechanically profiling the surface so your new floor system adheres properly. We use equipment like diamond grinders, shot blasters, and scarifiers to meet the exact surface profile your system requires, whether it's a sealer or a high-build coating. It might not be the most visible part of the project, but prep is what makes or breaks your floor's performance. If the surface isn't clean, solid, and properly profiled, your coating could peel, fail, and compromise the entire system. Every facility needs proper prep, whether you're installing epoxy, urethane cement, polished concrete, or a restoration overlay. If you've got old coatings, oil-saturated concrete, uneven slabs, or surface damage, skipping prep is not an option. The best time for prep is right before your flooring installation. We coordinate it to fit your schedule, whether during a shutdown, after hours, or in phases across your facility to minimize disruption. If you're planning a new floor, start with the right foundation. Visit customcrete.net to request a quote, and we'll schedule a site visit. We'll evaluate your slab and recommend the right prep method so your flooring system performs like it should.